Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 9th day of March 2026. We just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and this is a trade taken in the room today by live traders. So here we go. Setup is we look for our favorite indicator, which is the Samurai Day Trading Strong Candle Indicator. Has a little bit of a pyramid pointing upwards, saying take this candle long to the top of the screen. And that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to wait until this candle shows a little red, a little bit of a retrace. Then we're going to go ahead and put our order on the body of the candle. So here we go. We'll go ahead and we're going to buy it long. Beautiful. And then we get a little retrace. We'll just bring it down to the body of the candle and be done with it. So I look at the PVI. It's hopping again. So I expect the next candle to be somewhere between 110 and 120 ticks long. So I'm going to look at my ATM. I'm going to pair that to the speed of the market. We're going to go for 20 tick first targets. We're going to de-risk the trade completely then, and then we're going to look for runners of 50 and 100. So that's what we're going to do. And here's how it all went down in the room today. We just start it up. There's a little bit of red. Bring it down to the body of the candle, and there it is. And this is going to require some risk initially. All right, so go to last major failure point. Back here. And now that we're in the trade, we can go ahead and speed it up if we want to. This goes pretty quickly. I'm not sure I need to speed it up, but I want to see what happens when we hit our first target. It's going to de-risk the trade from where it is right now to a minus 18 position, which means it'll be taking all the risk out of the trade. So, all right, here's 4 times market speed. And the seller's making a bit of a move down. It's not unusual, a little bit of a retrace. Now watch, we're going to hit our first target, boom. And now we de-risk the trade completely. If we come up and hit our second target, we can't lose money. We can only be in profit. So we'll see what happens here. If this does, the second target's out. So when this hits the brick wall, we should de-risk the trade, but we'll just let it play out. Not sure exactly what we did here. But when we hit the brick wall, we'll just go ahead and lock in our profit anyway. And yeah, we can leave it at minus 18 if we wanted to. I'm not sure what we did, but I do know we got paid. Boom. Didn't get to our 100 tick target. There we go. Target's out. That trade took 5 minutes and 20 seconds to complete and was worth, look at that, right on the money, $1,000 total, right on the money. So if you want to learn how to make a thousand US dollars in 5 minutes, a little over 5 minutes, come and join us at SamuraiDayTrading.com. We got great education. We got great indicators that you won't find anywhere else. And we just have a lot of fun in the live trading room. So we make money, we have fun. What more could you ask for? So come and join us at SamuraiDayTrading.com. Look forward to seeing you next time. God bless you, and we'll see you then.